Welcome to Daily News Updates by the Shipping Tribune. Here we bring to you the latest maritime daily news in a short form video format. Please subscribe for regular updates. Ship fuel spreads and LNG prices fall to the lowest level in years. Fuel is one of the biggest costs in ocean shipping, and fuel pricing has seen some big changes in recent months, featuring new dynamics that haven't been seen in years. Prior to IMO 2020 regulations implemented on Jan 1st, 2020, most of the world's commercial ships ran on 3.5% sulfur fuel, known as high sulfur fuel oil HSFO. Ships with exhaust gas scrubbers can continue to burn HSFO under IMO 2020, while others, the majority of the commercial fleet, have switched to more expensive fuel with 0.5% sulfur, known as very low sulfur fuel oil VLSFO. Black Sea conflict boosts wheat prices in Southeast Asia and Australia. Black Sea wheat offers into Southeast Asia rose $10 a metric ton overnight, with Romanian and Bulgarian feed wheat offers to Vietnam for August to September shipments set to be at $282 per metric ton CFR on July 20th. The strength in European markets has spilled over into Australian markets, where domestic cash prices have firmed. FOB offers will be up at least $10 a metric ton, but it is a bit early to say where fair value should be, a trader based in Australia said. China's June manufacturing steel demand improves, challenges remain. China's monthly manufacturing steel demand rebounded in June but was still lower than a year ago, S&P Global Commodity Insights data showed. While construction-related manufacturing remained depressed, most of the other sectors showed improvement due to resilient exports and government support to infrastructure investment. Several market participants expected manufacturing steel demand outside of property-related sectors to fare well for the rest of 2023. However, elevated steel production would continue to dent steelmakers' steel profits. NATO-Ukraine to discuss Black Sea grain issue at Zelensky's request. NATO and Ukraine are to discuss security in the Black Sea next week, particularly the operation of a corridor for grain exports, at the request of Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky, the Western Alliance said on Saturday. NATO spokesperson said the NATO-Ukraine Council, set up at this month's Alliance Summit, would discuss the situation following Russia's withdrawal from the year-old deal overseeing grain exports from Ukrainian ports. Zelensky said he had requested the meeting in a telephone conversation with NATO Secretary General Jens Stoltenberg. Venezuela will not halt productive oil operations amid contract disputes. Venezuela is not willing to halt productive operations during contract audits that have led to arrest of businessmen and officials and to disputes with customers and partners of state company PDVSA, the country's oil minister said on Friday. In June, a contract between PDVSA and Maroil Trading, a Geneva-based company owned by Venezuelan tycoon Vilma Ruperti, became entangled in a dispute over payments, triggering the suspension of most exports of petroleum coke from the South American country. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button if you like the video and subscribe to the Shipping Tribune YouTube channel if you haven't already.